My hair has never felt this good, and I only used 2 products. Let me show you what I used. To remove any knots, I went in with the Moyoko Hailo Detangling brush. The Halo's nozzle works hand in hand that fits the shape of your head, making detangling and styling easier. Now these pin tips are infused with argan oil for added softness and shine. Now I go in with the brush and detangle any knots that I have on my wet hair. Prepare for heat styling. I don't know if you guys see it, but can you see the difference? Oh my god. Now I'm going in with the Mycro Keratin Magic Mist Bonding Protector Spray. This is going to help protect my hair from any heat, tangles, and humidity. Once I have towel dried my hair and detangled my hair, I am distributing the spray evenly throughout my hair and working in sections. Working in sections is going to allow the spray to reach every hair strand. My hair smells so divine. So I did a quick hair blowout. And finally, I am done. My hair feels so smooth and soft. And that was just with 2 of my favorite products.